Yo, welcome back to the channel for another video. So pull up a chair, grab a coffee or something stronger because today we got to talk about something big. Now, if you've been following the whole DJI situation lately, you know the countdown is ticking like a badly calibrated flight controller. December 23rd, 2025, that's the day that DJI could get slapped onto the FCC's covered list, which is basically the government's naughty list, except instead of coal, you get no new DJI products in the US. No new drone, no new features, no new take my money release dates, just sadness. So listen, I've covered this drama a few times, and I was hoping that I wouldn't have to make another one of these videos, but here we are. But instead of focusing on what the government is doing, I wanted to focus on what DJI is actually doing about all of this, and what we can do to help. So DJI recently popped onto their socials and pretty much said, hey, we'd love a fair and transparent security audit, please. Which sounds normal, right? Except, and you're gonna love this, nobody was ever officially assigned to actually do the audit that was ordered a year ago. Zero. Nada. No one. Congress set the deadline, but forgot the part where someone actually performs the audit. That's like giving somebody a test and forgetting to hire a teacher. So DJI has basically been knocking on the door all year like, hey guys, audit? Anyone? Please? We brought cookies. And now they're asking for an extension. Not special treatment, just, a chance for the audit to actually happen. So where do we come in? Well, DJI is asking all of us, pilots, creators, hobbyists, business owners, everyone to speak up. All you have to do is go to droneadvocacyalliance.com. Send a quick message to your reps and say, hey, maybe don't ban the most important drone company in the world, without even reviewing them first. That'd be great. It takes like 2 minutes. That's less time than it takes your mini SE to lose signal behind a tree. But Jeff, what do I even say to my representatives? Well, glad you asked. Number one, be all about fairness and transparency. Say something simple like, I support a fair and transparent national security audit before any decisions are made. It's professional and it's not unhinged. This reinforces the reasonable request of reviewing data before just banning stuff. Number two, talk about how drones actually help people. Mention photographers, construction, agriculture, public safety, and so on. Something like, this isn't about one company, this affects real people, real jobs, and real industries. And number three, push collaboration, not exclusion. Something like, I believe the US and drone manufacturers like DJI should collaborate and ensure security while still supporting innovation. And last, number four, just be respectful. It's simple. Just thank them for taking the time to hear from you and to hear from other drone operators just like you, and simply ask for a fair review process guided by facts and not fear. And that's it. It's polite and clear with zero chaos energy. Look, and I know some of you are like, I've done this before and nothing changes. Yeah, but guess what? If you've ever taken a drone shot that made you feel something, if you ever been inspired by a flight, if drones in any way helped you build a business, a hobby, or a passion, then it's worth doing, and doing again and again. So that website again was droneadvocacyalliance.com. Go there. 2 minutes, your voice plus a million other voices equal actual impact. And I'll do my best to keep updating you as that December 23rd deadline creeps closer. So go ahead, hit me up in the comments down below and let me know if you made your voice heard by commenting just done, D-O-N-E. Also, I'm curious on everyone's thoughts. Do you think that DJI deserves a fair and transparent audit? Why or why not? How would a potential ban impact you personally? And what steps do you think the drone community should take right now to protect innovation and fairness? I'm eager to hear from you. So make sure to like this video so it gets seen by more people, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack, as well as my upcoming photo prints. And until next time, keep flying and get out and shoot. And I will see you later.